So hey, hi. So today we will show you that how we can create an Windows instance in AWS. So first we will search for AWS in our browser. Then we will get that AWS URL. So once we get the page, we will click on that create an AWS account, and yeah. So in the bottom we will get the sign in as an existing AWS account user. So probably you all have that already created an account. So considering that, I will going through this. So this is the way. So basically I'm showing you that how we will create an Windows instance like a very faster way, a very easy way, like keeping in this mind that these things you already have a few ideas about this AWS and all. So just going into that the practical way. Okay, so this is the services. This is the AWS Amazon Web Services as a containers of services. So we can see that the machine learning and AR, VR, and several things they are providing. So like IoT and all. So what we require for our purpose is starting with EC2, like elastic compute. So this is the thing. Yeah, this one. So this is here we can see that all 25 data centers of AWS across the world. So right now, although it is showing Ohio, but I'm living in Mumbai, so that should be. So these are the instances that's running, 0 instances running right now. So these are the already created load balance, already created instances. So there are 3 instances. If you are new, you will see that 0 instances only. So we'll start with creating a new instance. So this is the process actually. Launch instances first. Okay, this is the orange one. So these are the Amazon machine images. That's the AMI, or normally these are the ways. Okay, so server ways. So for keeping in this mind, as I am showing you through a free account, so it is better to just click that, filter it out, all those things with a free tier eligible ways. So this is the thing we need to select. So these are the everything like AWS is providing. So we will show you that the T2 micro instances, okay, for the development or experimental purpose, and this is going to provide us like 1 core of a CPU and memory is 1. So you can say me that if this is the thing AWS or Amazon providing. No, this is, they are providing a huge things. Like it is an experimental and development developers account, free account. So that's why you can have maximum this one. You can actually have an account that's having a huge like 6,000 GB of memory, gigs of memory, 100 gigs of network speeds, and the CPU they can provide you with 448 cores. So we will show you with that micro one. Okay, there's the free tier one. So after selecting that, next. So this is the number of instances. In number of instances you can just create with 1 go. Okay, so like if you put 10 or 20, then it will create 20 instances, like same configurations and all in 1 go. So this is the thing. So everything just put as it is. Like we will discuss this thing later. So then next, add storage. Okay, so fair enough. I haven't mentioned. So this is 30 gigs of memory they are going to provide for Windows instance. Okay, so what it is written, like there are several type of instance memory type, but for free tier we are eligible for these things only. Okay, so we need to choose among 2 things only. So this is one of the vital thing, that delete on termination. So many times I got that people asking for how to delete an instance. So one in the instance page, in the right click, you will get an option of terminate it. So once you do, this will get deleted after some time. So this is the way to delete an instance. So next, adding tags. Yeah. Now this is the sixth tab to configure the security group. This is the most vital group, vital setup. You can say that like most of the time we require to do things over there here only. Okay, we will get back to here later. So various kind of protocols are there to communicate with the instances. So review and launch. Okay, so to moderate, these are the ports I have opened to connect for the RDP. And now this is the important thing, one of the important thing. So to connect to that uh, the instance, we need to create a new pair of encrypted key value pair. Okay, so you have to download that. You will not able to download the file again after created the instance. Okay, so here we need to download this file. This is okay. Sorry, I have clicked more than once, so that's why I got that message. So here you will see that your instances are now launching. So go to that instances here. So you will see that this is the new instances we have created. Now the instance number is 4. Earlier it was showing 3. So just give a name so that we won't get confused with the other one. Sorry, AWS. For YouTube purpose, then that's fine. Okay, so this is the newly created instance. This is the Windows instance. Okay, so that's we have just created. Now let's see how to connect it. Okay, so first let's check that what are the things they are providing to know us, like everything, like private public DNSs and all, and that what kind of memories they are showing over here. This is the security group tab, and this is one of the important thing tab is monitoring tab. Okay, so now go to that remote desktop connections. So if you are using Windows, so this is the default already installed app. Okay, so let's get connect. Okay, there's a connect. Okay, so this is the public DNS of that instances we have just created. Username is administrator, and when you click on the get password, you will see that we need to at least wait for 4 minutes while after creating that new instances. So just upload that PEM file. Okay, this is the pem.extension file. This is we need to upload and decrypt that password. So this is the password we just decrypted. Okay, so this is the DNS. Connect it over here, and they will ask for the password. Okay, and this is the administrator, that the username, by default username. Okay, so we are actually connecting our new instance, that the operating system is a virtual desktop kind of thing with 30 gigs of hard disk and 1 gigs of RAM remotely. So this is just what we have just created, and this is what cloud service is. We just need to wait for a while. It's a new setup. So this is the Windows. This is the Windows which I have just created. This is a new Windows I have just created. Let me show you the taskbar. Yeah, so this is the taskbar. So it is initializing the OS. So let me just verify that whether the configurations they are promising they are giving or not. So just let's go to my computer. Yeah, so this is the PC. Yeah, so as like as mine, like ours own desktop, very own desktop. So yeah, you can see that the installed RAM is 1 gigs and 64-bit of operating system. Yeah, I provided, and this is everything is given, like device manager, variables, everything, whatever you want you can do in this Windows, like typically. You can use it for installing Tomcats, deploying your